Tired of typing every contact into Pipedrive by hand? Import hundreds in minutes with zero errors using this simple CSV trick. I will walk you through the exact steps, from opening Pipedrive to matching fields and starting the import. Let us go. All right, so first things first, open up Pipedrive in your browser. Make sure you are logged in and looking at your main dashboard. This is where everything starts. Now, go ahead and look over on the left-hand sidebar. You will see an option labeled Contacts. Click on that. It will open up a submenu. From that submenu, you want to choose People. Just give it a click. It'll take a second for the People page to fully load. Give it that moment. Once it is loaded, look for the button that says Plus Person. It's usually up near the top right corner of that section. See that small drop-down arrow right next to it? Click on that arrow. A little menu will pop down. The very last option in that list says Import Data. Click on that. Now, a new page will load called Import Data. This might take just a moment to open up. Once it is there, you will see a big area prompting you to choose a file. Click that Choose File button or Upload File button, depending on what yours says. A file browser window will open up from your computer. Navigate to wherever you saved your CSV file. This is that spreadsheet file holding all your contacts. Select it and hit Open. Your file will start uploading. This might take a while depending on how many contacts you have in there. Let it do its thing. Once the upload finishes, Pipedrive will show you what it detected in your file. You will see your column names from the spreadsheet, like name or email or phone number. Now, here is the really important part. This is where the magic happens and where most people get tripped up. You need to match each column from your file to the correct field inside Pipedrive. So if you have a column called Full Name, you find the matching field called Name in Pipedrive's list. If you have a column called Email Address, you match it to the email field. Take your time with this. In my experience, getting this part right saves you from a huge headache later. Pipedrive does a pretty good job guessing, but always double-check it. Go through each one. Verify every single match. Make sure phone is going to phone and not notes by accident. All right, next. Scroll down just a little bit. You will see some import settings. This is where you decide if you want to skip duplicate contacts or add them all. I almost always recommend keeping the duplicate detection turned on. That keeps your database clean. Once you are happy with everything, look for the big blue button that says Start Import. Go ahead and click it. Now we wait. Pipedrive is processing your file in the background. Depending on how many records you have, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute or two. Just let it run. When it finishes, you will see an import summary. This tells you exactly how many contacts were added, how many were updated, and how many were skipped. Give it a quick look to make sure everything lines up. And that is it. You just imported hundreds of records in minutes with accurate field mapping. No more typing by hand. No more errors. You are free to get back to what you do best: selling.